Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss one of the numericals based on concave mirror. So here is the problem. It was asked in CBSE 2020, means this year itself in the board examination it was asked. So first you can write down this problem in your notebook, and before I start solving it, just we'll have a look on few things. For different positions of object in front of concave mirror, we get different position, size and nature of the image. Children, always remember, for a concave mirror, u, that is object distance, is always taken negative according to the sign convention. Even the focal length f is always taken negative. V is negative except for one position, when the object is kept between focus and pole, in which case we are taking V as positive. So dear children, with whatever we have seen just now, based on that, let's start solving this problem step by step. Okay, so whenever a numerical problem is given to you, first what are you supposed to write is the given part. Okay, so what is given in this problem is, just we'll see that it is the when an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So u is 10 centimeter, right? Now what about the sign? According to the sign convention, u is always negative, right? Now next, from the pole of concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. So what is the focal length given? Focal length is given as 15 centimeter. So it will not be given in the question positive or negative. You have to write according to the sign convention. So what we have discussed is focal length for a concave mirror is always negative. So you should never get confused. Object distance and focal length for a concave mirror is always negative. So what is being asked, we'll just start and solve it step by step. Now first part, right? Position of the object. What do you mean by position? We need to find the object distance, image distance, sorry. We need to find the image distance, right? So how can I find the image distance? Image distance, we need the mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. Very simple it is, right? So next step, what are we supposed to find out? We need to find out what is the image distance or position of the image, right? So what will be 1 by V? So 1 by V equals 1 by F minus 1 by U, right? So that will be, now I will substitute the following and you have to take care of this sign also, okay? So I'll continue here only. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. So what is F? 1 by minus 15 minus here, and then what is U? U is minus 10. So it is minus 10. So what it will become? This is actually 1 by minus 15, and this minus will give you plus 1 by 10. How can you solve this? You have to take the LCM, right? You need to take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 15 and 10? It will be 30. So it will be 30, and what you will get, 15 2s are, so this will be minus 2, right? 10 3s are plus 3. So all of you can solve simple mathematics. It is minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 will give you plus 1. So what we have got? We have got that 1 by V is equal to 1 upon 30, or V is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is the solution for the first part. What does it mean? It means that the object is 30 centimeter. Now where it is? Behind the mirror, in front of the mirror. See, there is a positive sign. So positive sign indicates that the image is formed behind the mirror. So where is the image? Image is formed 30 centimeter behind the mirror. How I have decided it is behind the mirror? Because I know that from sign convention, if it is positive, it will be on the it will be behind behind the mirror, right? Next is size of the image. Okay, so size of the image I can find out. Second part. So size of the image. Size means you need to find the, the formula for magnification. Magnification is given by the formula, the formula, height of image by height of object, or we write it as minus V upon U, minus V upon U. So children, what is V and what is U given here? So V and U is, we'll just write it down here only. So magnification is minus V upon U. So what is V? V is 30. Just now we have found out 30. And what is the value of U? U is given to us. U is just now minus 10 it was given. So what about the sign? So magnification will become positive 3 plus 3, right? What does it mean? That plus sign indicates that it is virtual. Plus sign indicates it is virtual, and 3 indicates that it is magnified. It is magnified 3 times. It is magnified 3 times. So what is the size of the image? So image is 3 times the size of the object, right? Had it been plus 2, so size of the image will be 2 times the image of size of the object. And plus indicates virtual, minus indicates real. Okay, so that is how we interpret magnification. What about the last? Size and nature. Nature is also, you can say nature means it is virtual or real. So we have already said it is virtual. So third part, the nature of the image is, it is virtual. So position also we have found 30 centimeter. Size is 3 times magnified, 3 times the size of the object, and nature is virtual. Children, the question was given in the beginning itself. I can find out whether the solution I am doing is correct or not. See here, we know all the 6 position of the object in the tabular column. Then where is the image formed? See here, if I just want to interpret this question, if I want to draw the figure for that, just look here. Suppose this is your mirror, right? And what is the suppose I say this is the focus, okay, focal length. So this distance is given as 15 centimeter. Okay, this distance is 15 centimeter, right? And where is the object kept? Object distance is U. So U is 10. So U is means object is kept within the focus. Object is kept within the focus. So without even solving the question, you must be able to interpret the B and C part. Why? Because when we know that the object is kept between the pole and the focus, the image formed is virtual, magnified, right, and behind the mirror.